Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover topic number 2.3 multiplication of decimal numbers. First let us cover conversion of decimal numbers to fraction. If we are given with the decimal number that is 0.2, we write the numbers and then count the number of digits after the decimal, and in the denominator we write the number of zeros equals to the number of digits after the decimal. Let us take one more example. 10.01. First write the numbers without the decimal point, and in division count the number of digits after the decimal point. There are 2 digits, so divided by 100. If you want to convert the fraction to decimal back, what we do is we start from the right hand side, count the digits equals to the number of zeros in the denominator, and we put the decimal point after the number of digits equal to the number of 0. There are 2 zeros, so starting from the right hand side, after 2 digits that is 1 and 2, we put the decimal. So 25 by 100 can be written as 0.25 or 0.25. Let us take one more example. That is 17 divided by 1000. Starting from the right hand side, after third digit put the decimal point. So starting from the right hand side, there are only 2 digits, so put the extra zeros and then put the decimal point. So answer will be 0.017. Now let us cover the multiplication. Multiplication of decimals. Start with the simple example, that is 0.2 into 0.3. First convert the decimal into fraction, that is 2 divided by 10 into 3 divided by 10. Now do the simple multiplication of fractions, that is product of numerator and product of denominator. And now convert back the fraction to decimal. Starting from the right hand side, after the second digit put the decimal. So answer is 0.06. Let us take one more example. 0.01 into 0.05. Convert into fraction, that is 1 divided by 100 into 5 divided by 100. Now multiplication of fraction, that is 5 divided by 10,000, that is equals to, starting from right hand side, after the fourth digit put the decimal point. So starting from the right hand side, 1, 2, 3 and 4 digit put the decimal point, and 0.0005 is the answer. Now if we want to compare the decimal numbers, comparison of decimal numbers. If you want to compare 1.2 and 1.25, convert the decimal to fraction, that is 12 divided by 10 and 125 divided by 100. Now make the denominator same, smaller denominator is multiplied by the power of 10. The smaller denominator is 10, so we multiply the smaller denominator to make it equal to the bigger denominator, that is 100. Now both the denominator are same. Whichever the numerator is greater, that fraction will be greater. In this case 125 is greater than 120, so 1.25, that is the original decimal, is greater than 1.2. Let us take one more example. 10.2, 1.25 and 6.125. Convert the decimal to fraction, that is 102 divided by 10, 125 divided by 100 and 6125 divided by 1000. Now make the denominator equal. The highest denominator is 1000, so we will make all the denominator equals to 1000. We multiply 125 and 100 by 10, and we will multiply 10 and 102 by 100 to make the denominator equal. Now the denominator are equal, so the highest numerator is 10,200, then we have 6125, the smallest is 1250. So we can write highest is 10,200, that is 10.2 is highest, then we have 6125, that is 6.125, and then smallest is 1250, that is 1.25 is the smallest decimal. Now let us check the theory. In theory, they have taken one example, that is 0.1 can be written as 1 divided by 10, that is number of digits after the decimal point is 1. So we will divide by the 10, and the product, that is 0.1 into 0.1, convert them into the fraction and then multiply numerator and denominator separately, we will get 0.01. If we want to multiply 0.2 into 0.3, first convert them into the fraction and then do the product of numerator and denominator separately, and then convert the fraction back to decimal. We will have answer as 0.06. Let us solve this. Try this. First is we have to find the product of decimal number, that is 2.7 into 4. Second, 1.8 into 1.2. And third, 2.3 into 4.35. First convert them into the fraction, that is 27 divided by 10 into 4. Now product of numerator and denominator, that is 27 into 4 equals to 108 divided by 10. Now starting from the right hand side, after one digit put the decimal point, because we have 10 in the denominator, 10, so put the decimal after the one digit starting from right hand side. We have 10.8 is the answer. Second we have 1.8. Second we have 1.8. Convert them into fraction, that is 18 divided by 10 into 12 divided by 10. Now product of numerator and denominator, that is 12 into 18 equals to 216 divided by 10 into 10, that is equals to 100. Now starting from right hand side, after the second digit put the decimal point. So starting from right hand side, second digit is 1, so answer will be 2.16. Third, convert them into fraction, that is 23 divided by 10 into 435 divided by 100, that is equals to 23 into 435 equals to 1005 divided by 1000, and starting from right hand side, after the third digit put the decimal point, so the answer will be 10.005. Now the second question is, we have to compare the answers obtained in the first question. So we have to compare 10.8, 2.16 and 10.005. So first convert them into fraction, that is 108 divided by 10, 216 divided by 100 and 10.005 divided by 1000. Now make the denominator same, that is multiply 100 with 10 and 216 by 10 and multiply 10 by 100 and 108 by 100. Now the denominator is same, so higher will be the numerator, higher will be the value. So we have highest is 10,800, then we have 10,005, and on the third position we have 2160. So if we write in descending order, that is highest first, we have highest 10,800, that is 10.8 is highest, then we have 10,005, that is 10.005, and at last we have 2160, that is 2.16. We have solved this example, that is try this. Now let us solve example 3. We have the side of equilateral triangle equals to 3.5 centimeter and we have to find the perimeter. So equilateral triangle side is 3.5 centimeter, and to find the perimeter we will multiply side by 3, that is equals to 3 into 3.5. First convert them into the fraction, that is 35 divided by 10. Now multiply the numerator and denominator separately. We will have 35 into 3 equals to 105 divided by 10. Now starting from right hand side, after one digit put the decimal point, so we have 10.5 is the answer. Example 4 is, we are given with the length of rectangle equals to 7.1 centimeter and breadth equals to 2.5 centimeter. We have to find the area. So area of rectangle equals to length into breadth, that is equals to length is 7.1, convert them into the fraction, that is 71 divided by 10 into breadth equals to 2.5, that is 25 divided by 10. Now multiply 71 and 25. 71 into 25 equals to 1775 divided by 10 into 10 is 100. Now starting from right hand side, after the second digit put the decimal, that is 17.75 is the answer. In next lecture we will cover topic number 3.3.1, multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Thank you.